Hello students, welcome back to DMI's home-based education. Today we are going to continue again with exercise 1 only. As in the last video we had started with chapter averages, and today we are going to continue the same exercise 1 and will complete the chapter also. So as we had gone through in the first video, that average is equal to sum of quantities upon number of quantities. The same formula will apply here. Question number 5, it is given that the 6-day income of a man is rupees 49.50, rupees 72, rupees 64, rupees 80.50, 65 rupees and rupees 60.50. Find his average income. Means एक man है, उसके 6 दिन की income दे दी है. The income of the 6 days are being given. So we have to find out कि उसकी average income कितनी है. That we have to find out. So again we'll use the same formula. Average is equal to sum of what it is being given, income is given. So sum of income upon number of days. Okay, तो income दिया है, that's why sum of income upon कितने days की income दिया है, so therefore number of days. Now let us add how much it is being given. So it's 49.50 plus 72 plus 64 plus 80.50 plus 65 plus 60.50 upon 6. So 49.50, 72, 64, 80.50, 65 and 60.50 is the income of that person of 6 days. So let us add. It's 49.50. I am doing my rough work. Okay, you can do it on the right hand side. Draw the margin. So 72, 64, 80.50, 65 and 60.50. So 0, 5, 10 and 15. 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 2, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 5, 21. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 6 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, 27 plus 6 is 33, 33 plus 6 is 39. So total we are getting, that is 391.50 upon 6. Now what we have to do? We have to divide it. So let us divide and find out what answer we are getting. So 391.50 by 6. So 6 6 there is 36. 3 and 1 31. 6 5 there is 31. Point is being there, so you put the point. 5 will come down. 6 2 there is 12. 3 and 0, 6 5 there is 30. So the average income we are getting, we will write it in rupees only. It will be 65.25 is the average income of that person. As the 6 days income is being given, total we got 391.50 divided by 6, it comes to 65.25. Now let us move to question number 6. Now question number 6 you have to do it by yourself. उसमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है, addition नहीं करना है, just you have to do the division work there. The sum of 4 numbers is 200. अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? Add करके sum find out कर रहे थे. But in 6th one already sum is being given 200 और कितने numbers का sum है? 4 numbers का. So you will directly write sum of quantities upon number of quantities is equal to 200 upon 4 you will write down and then you find out the average of that number. Okay, so that one you have to do it. Now question number 7, it is being given the total marks obtained by Aditi is 425 in 5 subjects. Find her average marks in 1 subject. That we have to find out. So here again the total is being given. That's question number 7. So what we have to find out? Average is equal to sum of marks are being given. Yes, sum of marks upon number of subjects. So number of marks is already been given as 425. So 425 and total number of subjects are 5. 5 subjects are being there. So what we have to do? Cancel it. It's 5 and 5. 5 is 40. 2 and 5 25. 5 is 25. So the average we are getting is 85 marks. That is the average of question number 7. Now question number 8. In that also few things is being already given. It's question number 8. So in that it is given the average of 5 number is 60. Already they the average 5 number is 60. What we used to find out that is being already given. You average वो 5 नंबर की है वो क्या है 60 है उसमें से 4 नंबर्स ऑलरेडी दे दिए हैं 58, 72, 63 and 48. 5 में से 4 नंबर ऑलरेडी दे दिया है उसका एवरेज भी दे दिया है और 5 नंबर है करके भी बोल दिया. हमें क्या करना है वो फिफ्थ नंबर कौन सा है दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो व्हाट इज बीन गिवन लेट अस राइट इट फर्स्ट. Average is given how much 60. Then 4 numbers are being given. So 4 numbers is equal to 58, 72. Then 63 and 48. So these are the 4 numbers. 5 नंबर का एवरेज दिया है कितना 60. उसमें से 4 नंबर्स दे दिए 4 नंबर ये थे. फिफ्थ नंबर we have to find out. So what we'll write? Average is equal to sum of quantities upon number of quantities. Now what here you have to be careful. यहाँ पे हमको एवरेज ऑलरेडी दे दिया है. अभी तक जो जितने भी सम किए उसमें एवरेज हमने फाइंड आउट किया है. But here average is being already given is 60. So average की जगह पे हम 60 लिखेंगे. Then 58 plus 72 plus 63 plus 48. Average कितने numbers का दिया? 5 numbers का. But only 4 are given. So जो fifth number है हम उसको x ले लेते हैं. वो x से करके number of quantities 5. अब क्या करना है? ये 5 जो डिवीजन में है प्रोपोर्शन में जैसे सीखा था वही ये डिवीजन में उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लेके आओ. सो 60 into 5 is equal to we'll add all the 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. So 241 we are getting और उसमें भी add इसको करना है fifth number को that is x. Now 6 5 से कितना होता है 30 and this 0. So 300 is equal to 241 plus x is the thing. अब हमें क्या करना है find out क्या करना है x find out करना है means the fifth number. So what we'll do 300 में से 241 को हम माइनस कर देंगे बिकॉज़ क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है दैट फाइंड द एवरेज ऑफ फाइंड द फिफ्थ नंबर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो ये 4 नंबर हो गए उसका टोटल आया 241 प्लस x क्यों लिखा क्योंकि वो फिफ्थ नंबर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. दैट्स व्हाई नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू x इज इक्वल टू क्या करेंगे 300 में से 241 माइनस कर देना है. तो हमको क्या मिलेगा x की वैल्यू 59 will be the answer. Now 10 9 and 2 so 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4 is 5. So the fifth number here, that is coming to 59. Okay, this is how we have to find out. अभी तक जो था उसमें हम एवरेज फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे एवरेज ऑलरेडी दे दिया है, 5 नंबर में से 4 नंबर भी दे दिया है. फिफ्थ नंबर कौन सा है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी विल डू, 5 चारों को ऐड करो, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर में था वो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चला जाएगा 60 के साथ. ये चारों को ऐड करेंगे तो कितना आ रहा है, 241. वो 4 नंबर का ही टोटल है. नाउ फिफ्थ नंबर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. So 60 into 5 it comes to 300 और ये 241 को 300 में से माइनस करेंगे. So we are getting the fifth number that is equal to 59. Now the same way ninth one is being given. Let us see. वो भी थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलर है to question number 8. Question number 9 it is being given that the sum of 6 numbers is 210. 6 नंबर का टोटल ऑलरेडी दे दिया है, that is 210. Find their average. अब उसकी एवरेज फाइंड आउट करनी है. If one of the number is 36, वो 6 में से अगर एक नंबर जो है वो 36 है, तो find the average of the remaining 5 numbers. तो बाकी के 5 नंबर है उसकी एवरेज क्या होगी, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो फर्स्ट इट इज बीइंग गिवन. सो फर्स्ट एवरेज पहले फाइंड आउट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 क्या दिया है, सम ऑफ 6 numbers is there. 6 numbers is 210. So now we find out the average of it. So average is equal to sum of quantities upon number of quantities. So total हमको already दे दिया है, that is 210 upon 6. So divided 210 by 6, 6 3s is 18, 3 and 0, so 5 is 30. So 35 is the answer. Average of the first 6 numbers. अब उसमें से क्या दे दिया है, if one of the number is being given, वो 6 नंबर का जो टोटल है उसमें से एक नंबर दे दिया है, that is which number, 36. One number is equal to 36. तो बाकी के 5 का टोटल क्या होगा, therefore sum of 5 numbers is equal to 6 नंबर का टोटल कितना था, 210. उसमें से एक ऑलरेडी दे दिया है 36, तो वो माइनस करेंगे. So 210 and 36, so 10, so 4 and 7, 174 is the answer. Means the total for the 5 numbers. अब उसका क्या करना है, उसका एवरेज फाइंड आउट करना है. So we will find out the average of now 5 numbers. That will be 174 upon 5. क्योंकि सब क्वेश्चन में पहले क्या दिया है, 6 नंबर का जो टोटल है that is 206, so उसका एवरेज हमको मिल गया 35. Now out of that 6 numbers, एक नंबर ऑलरेडी दिया है that is 36. तो बाकी के 5 की एवरेज क्या होगी, so for that we have to subtract 36 from 210. So we are getting 174. Now divided by 5. So let us divide 174. So 5 3s is 15. 2 and 4 24. 5 4s is 24.0 and 5 8s is 40. So our answer comes to 34.8 is the average of the remaining 5 numbers. This is what we have to do it. So now the last sum is being remaining. By that we complete the chapter also. Now in that total employees are being given और उनकी सैलरी कितनी है एक जन की वो ऑलरेडी दिया है. In an office 10 clerks are there. एक ऑफिस में 10 क्लर्क है और उसकी सैलरी है 2500 each. मतलब एक की 2500. वैसे 10 clerks are being there and 5 officers, 5 officers भी है and their salary is 3500 each. एक जन की 3500 मतलब एक ऑफिसर की तो 5 ऑफिसर्स की कितनी होगी. सेम वे उधर भी एक क्लर्क की 2500 तो 10 क्लर्क्स की कितनी होगी. And then it is being given find the average salary of the employees in the office. वो ऑफिस में average salary कितनी है that we have to find out. Okay, so first what we have to find out, question number 10, salary of one clerk that comes to rupees 2500. मतलब एक क्लर्क की जो सैलरी that is 2500. So therefore salary of 10 clerks is equal to 10 into 2500 that comes to rupees 25,000. तो 10 क्लर्क की टोटल मिला के सैलरी कितनी होती है 25,000. सेम वे सैलरी ऑफ वन ऑफिसर that is given as rupees 3,500 like that. Total 5 officers are in there. So salary of 5 officers is equal to 5 into 3,500. So what will be the answer? 2 zeros will be positives. 5 5 is 25. 2 5 is 15 plus 2 17. मतलब 500 ऑफिसर की मिला के कितनी सैलरी होगी 17,500. नाउ ये सब की दोनों की सैलरी हम ऐड करेंगे एंड कितने टोटल एम्प्लॉइज है दैट आल्सो वी हैव टू काउंट. सो इफ वी डू देयरफॉर sum of salaries is equal to कितने 25,000 plus 17,500. क्योंकि तब जाके हमको एवरेज मिलेगा ना पूरी ऑफिस में एवरेज सैलरी कितनी है. तो क्लर्क 10 क्लर्क की सैलरी 25,000 and 5 officers salary is 17,500. So we have to add both of them. So 2 zeros as it is. 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Means it is coming to rupees 42,500. Now total employees total employees भी फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा ना कि कितने हैं. तो टोटल employees is equal to 10 clerks are there and 5 officers. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 50 employees है टोटल ऑफिस में और वो सब की टोटल सैलरी होती है 42,500. Now we use it into the formula. Here what changes we have to make? Sum of salaries upon number of employees. Sum of salary, how much we are getting? 42,500 divided by total number of employees are 15. So now we have to divide it. It's 42,500 by 15. So 15 2s is 30. So 2, 1 and 5 will come down. So 15. 8s is 120. So 5. 0 will come down. So 15 3s is 45. So 5 is the remainder, again 0 will come down, so again 15 3 is 45, so again 5, now there is nothing, so we'll put 0.0, so again it will go by 15 3 is 45, so again 5, put one more 0, again 15 3 is 45, तो वो खत्म ही नहीं होगा, रिजर्व करके होता ही रहेगा, so finally the answer will be 2833.33 rupees. So this is what is the average salary of one person in that office. पहले क्या दिया है? Salary of one clerk is given rupees 2,500. Like that, total 10 clerks are there. So salary of 10 clerks is equal to 10 into 2,500, which comes to 25,000 rupees. Same day salary of one officer is being given, that is 3,500. We say 5 officers are being there. So 5 into 3,500, which comes to 17,500. अब दोनों की सैलरी का टोटल, क्योंकि वो ऑफिस के अंदर एक इंसान की एवरेज सैलरी कितनी है, that we have to find out. That's why we have to add salaries of clerks, 10 clerks and 5 officers, that we are coming to 42,500. अब कितने एम्प्लॉइज है वो ऑफिस में? तो 10 clerks और 5 officers है, मतलब टोटल 15 employees are being there. फिर एवरेज फाइंड आउट करना है, so sum of salaries upon number of employees, so 42,500 upon 15, and we are getting the answer as 2,833.33. So this was the last sum, and by here we complete the chapter number 10, averages. And I hope so all of you have understood and there is no doubt. Just one formula you have to find. Remember that is average is equal to sum of quantities upon number of quantities. प्लस करना है, डिवाइड करना है, प्लस करना है, डिवाइड करना है, बस दैट्स इट. कोई सम में होगा जहां पे चेंजेस जो आया था, दैट वाज इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9. उसमें थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस था, बाकी ऑलमोस्ट यही फॉर्मूले पे पूरा चैप्टर है. So by here we complete the chapter number 10, and if anyone's books are incomplete, completed. We'll meet again in the next video with new chapter. So till then, thank you and take care.